Harrison. I'm the automotive historian here at Ideal Classic Cars.
And my name's Ian.
And today we're going to do a test drive Tuesday of our 1965 Pontiac GTO.
Started.
Yeah.
Oh, got lucky with the traffic there.
Man, it sounds good.
Oh yeah, I could definitely picture myself driving this every day. A lot of pickup.
Yeah, 389 cubic inch engine. Started out as a 335 horse with a 4-barrel, but it's had Tri-Power added. So Tri-Power cars from the factory were rated at 360. It'd probably make it a little bit more than that.
Yeah, it definitely feels it.
Yeah. The transmission, 4-speed M20 Muncie. So it's a nice wide ratio transmission, good for around town or on the highway. And it's cruising good right now.
Oh, it absolutely drives beautiful.
Rear end's 323, safety track, same thing as posi traction, stuff like that. It's just a great car. The best thing about it, the thing I love the most, is the color combination.
Oh, I absolutely love it.
Starlight black with this blue interior. It's such a cool combination. It's got to be rare, and the fact that it's all original is really neat. It also has the rally gauge package with the factory Tach.
Yeah, that looks sharp.
Yeah, that is nice.
And we couldn't have picked a better day to take this out, that's for sure.
It's really nice. There's not a lot of traffic out.
Yeah, she just cruises. I'm barely on it.
Yeah. This is a nice GTO.
It just sounds amazing. Not too much, just enough to know there's something there, you know?
Looking at the underside the other day, this thing is clean all around.
Oh, absolutely.
The story of the GTO is really neat. John DeLorean was the creator of the GTO, and the GM executives hated the idea. Never thought it would take off. You know, who needs power in a big car like this? You know, people are looking for, you know, a nice everyday car and something like this. Man, were they wrong.
Oh, they were, yes.
The GTO is one of Pontiac's biggest successes ever, and it made John DeLorean into a hero for the company.
It's absolutely impossible to drive one of these without a smile on your face, that's for sure.
And a lot of the old advertisements for the GTO, they tried to get people to bring the nickname Tiger in for it, and so they used the word Tiger a lot in advertising, stuff like that. They even got Uniroyal to provide tires for the GTO, which is why we still get Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires today.
Gotcha.
And
I noticed this had brand new treads on it as well.
Yeah, it does. Nice Redline tires too. And Esso, the fuel company, also had advertisements utilizing their Tiger character. They would give out Tiger tails. So you'd see a lot of GTOs back in the day with tiger tails hanging out of the gas cap or out of the trunk.
Okay. Alright, we'll get this turned around here. Plenty of pickup.
Man, that is awesome. This is a great car.
It is.
So even with all that advertising that they got out there for the Tiger, they ended up, you know, GTO enthusiasts ended up calling the GOAT, or the GTO, the GOAT. You know,
very familiar.
Similarity.
That's how I always refer to him as.
Yeah.
I can't stop smiling. I love this car. One of the best driving cars.
I'm surprised at how nice it rides too. I mean, it's not bumpy at all.
Oh,
It's
no.
smooth.
It honestly feels like it was fresh off the lot.
Oh yeah.
Just rest your foot and cruises perfectly straight. Brakes great. Shifts wonderful.
I was surprised, you know, we got it in and checked everything out, and even the radio in this car works.
Everything works. Absolutely everything works.
It's just an amazing, amazing car.
Yeah, I think everybody should own one of these.
Yeah.
I can't get over the ride.
I can't get over the color combination. That's what does it for me. I mean, never seen anything like it before, and it's beautiful.
Definitely unique. People definitely know you're coming when you get on it, that's for sure. Everything is just a pleasure to drive in this.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just really blown away by how smooth it is.
Absolutely everything works. All the gauges.
Yeah.
Like you said, the AM radio. It's a steal.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I think this was the perfect car to bring back our Test Drive Tuesday videos.
Absolutely. It's good to have them back.
Yeah.
I say we don't go back. Take it down the strip.
I would gladly take this thing home.
Definitely gets the attention of the drivers around us.
Oh yeah. I love seeing the smile on people's faces as you roll by.
What a lovely ride.
Yeah, it's just a great car. I mean, whoever ends up with this car once it's sold, they're going to be happy with it.
Oh, absolutely.
And I guess that just about wraps it up. And of course, you can always visit our website, idealclassiccars.net. You can give us a call at 941-966-1900, or you can email us at idealclassiccars@gmail.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram at Ideal Classic Cars. So go give us a visit. We're also on YouTube as well. Again, well, obviously we're doing
the test drive videos.
So
I look forward to more of them to come.
Yeah, and make sure you subscribe so you get notifications and all that. And stay tuned.
All right, guys. Oh.
That one only comes out that much, and wherever the other end of your seat belt is should.
We're off to a
adjust
great
as well.
start. Okay. We ready?
I think so.
All right.
We can always cut it.
Cut. Yeah.